I quickly wanted to draw your attention to another couple of cool features which Paykickstart has that allows you to create products and campaigns sort of much more quickly, and that is the clone feature. And then I also wanted to discuss the status feature over here as well. So let's start off with cloning. So instead of having to retype and set up and choose your checkout page templates and all of that over and over and over again, you can actually clone all those settings. So once you have your main product set up and you've spent time setting that up, you don't have to keep doing it over and over again for your other products. It'll just copy those settings over for you. So very simply, when you open this up, you can just clone the product by clicking on the clone campaign option right next to the name over here. So if you just click clone, it'll go out, it'll say product cloned now. Alright, so in my case it was unable to copy the product image, and the reason is because I do not have a product image actually for strategic campaign in this case. Right, but it has cloned everything else, and you'll see it just says strategic campaign copied. Now all I need to do is edit that campaign and rename it to whatever I want to name it. So we'll just go ahead and put that in there and change that to live campaign. And all the other settings which I would have set up already, integrations, payments, checkout pages, etc., they will all be exactly the same as the cloned product. Alright, so I can just go ahead and change the name, put the new description in, adjust the price, and I'm actually done. So that's a huge time saver. And the other ability that we can have here very simply from the front end here, you can actually set up on each platform, you can determine whether or not you want to actually have I meant to say each product you can actually turn off individually as well. So you can, if you go into the product settings, you can actually change the product's setting status. But if you want to just do it for the whole campaign, let's say for example you want to test your campaign and not have to go through a payment gateway and so on, you can just flick over to test mode over here, and that will make sure that all your checkout pages just have test modes enabled, and you don't have to put in real payment details to actually test your funnel. And of course, if you just want to completely disable that campaign, let's say it was a limited launch or something like that, you can actually do that just by clicking on disabled over here, and the same thing will apply.